Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of chair making. You won't believe the skills and techniques involved. So, let's jump right in. First up, we're choosing the perfect wood. Check out these beauties, walnut, cherry, and maple. Just look at the grains on these. They're not just woods, they're the soul of our chair. Now watch this transformation. Peeling bark off a hickory log. It's like unwrapping a gift. This step is crucial for that perfect chair seat. It's time to get hands-on. Splitting wood from logs using good old hammers and wedges. It's loud, it's tough, but oh, it's so satisfying. Look at our Craftsman go, shaping chair parts with tools from another era. It's not just woodworking, it's an art form. Pure craftsmanship right here. Ever seen wood bend like this? We're steaming and bending back legs and slats using a technique from the 1740s. History meets craftsmanship. Next level skills alert, bent lamination for the chair's rockers. Our Craftsman is showing how true innovation in woodworking is done. Now, the weaving magic. Turning hickory bark into chair seats with wood shavings for cushioning. This is where patience meets passion. Check this out. Wrapping the warp on a chair frame. It's all about precision, and our Craftsman makes it look easy. Here comes the intricate part, weaving the weft in a herringbone pattern. This is where the true skill shines through. And finally, clamping down the chair seats. It's a step that needs a steady hand and a keen eye. Just watch our expert at work. There you have it, folks. The art of chair making from start to finish. Each step a masterpiece of skill and dedication. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more woodworking wonders. Stay tuned and keep crafting.